Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a 2013 Lexus RX 350. Under the hood's a 3.5 V6. This one comes with aftermarket 20-inch blacked out wheels. Has a tan interior with a sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got our RX 350 badging. Power liftgate. Fresh set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Nice spacious back seats here. We've got some memory seats, wood trim, power seats, telescopic steering wheel, our steering wheel controls, a nice wood grain steering wheel, push start ignition, rear backup camera, dual climate controls, our buttons for our media display. If you'd like to view more photos of this, check out feldmanimports.com.